this video I'm talking about HTML5. First of all, let's see what is HTML5. HTML5 is a language for structuring and presenting content for the World Wide Web, which is well known as a WW. It is the latest revision of the HTML and it is still under development. The previous version of HTML, HTML 4.01, came in 1999. The web has changed a lot since then. Establishment of HTML5 new rules. HTML5 was mainly targeting improve the language with the support for the latest multimedia, human reliability and consistent understandability by the computers and the devices. Apart from that, there are many intent purposes such as better error handling, more markup to replace scripting, reduce need for external plugins like a Flash, document editing, etc. Rough timeline of web technologies: 991 HTML, 994 HTML2, 996 CSS1 plus JavaScript, 1997 HTML4, 1998 CSS2, 2000 XHTML1, 2002 Tabless Web Designing, 2005 Ajax, 2009 HTML5. HTML5 versus HTML4. When comparing with HTML4, HTML5 is consist has defined error handling. HTML5 is a combination of HTML4, XHTML 1.0 and DOM level 2. Moreover, HTML5 has a defined new elements, new input attributes and many new features. Structure of HTML5. HTML structure is consist of HTML4, cascade styling sheets and JavaScript. This is one of the structure HTML5. If they have a header tag, article tag, content tag, right tag, nav tag, footer tag. Let's now look at the main structural element in HTML5. Header tag, used to contain the header of the site. Nav tag, represent the section of the document intended for the navigation. Section tag, represent the generic document or application sections. It can be used together with H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6 elements to indicate the document structure. Articles tag, represent the independent piece of content of a document such as a blog entry or newspaper articles. The site tag, represent the piece of content that is only slightly related to the rest of the pages. Footer tag, represent the footer for section and can contain information about the author, copyright information. HTML5 supports browsers: Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Opera. HTML5 supports a number of different browsers. This shows the web browsers that are the commonly being used, but almost the web browsers are support for this tool. HTML5 is not yet official standard, and no browsers have fully HTML5 supported. But all major browsers, Safari, Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Internet Explorer, continue to add the new HTML5 features to their latest version. HTML5 is more powerful web application, more powerful, but more power, more responsibility. HTML5 is a powerful web being tools which has undertaken more responsibilities. HTML5 has introduced a range of new features. The doctor type HTML tag. This is an instruction to web browser about what is the version of the markup language. The canvas tag, element for 2D drawing. The video tag and audio tag, elements for media playback. Support for local storage. New content specific elements like article tag, footer tag, header tag, nav tag, section tag. New for controls like a calendar, date, time, email, URL and search. HTML5 features, tips and techniques. The figure element specify self-contained contents like illustrations, diagram, photos, coordinate listing, etc. Small tag redefined. According to the new HTML5 definitions of this element, the small tag would be the correct wrapping for this information. No more type for scripting and links. This is no longer necessary. It's multiplied that both of these tags refer to styling sheets and scripts respectively. As such, we can remove the type of attributes altogether. To quiet and not quiet. HTML5 is not XHTML. Don't have to wrap your attributes in quotations mark if you don't want to. Don't have to close elements if make you feel more comfortable. Audio support. Defines sounds content. H group. Group a set of H1 to H6 elements when a headline has multiple levels. Email inputs. If we apply a type of email from inputs, we can instruct the browser to only allow a string that conform to valid email address structure. Tools. Notepad++, Google Chrome. When discussing about the tools that need use to HTML5, Notepad+, a free tool, and any web browser that is supporting HTML5 will come in handy together. But the reason I'm using this HTML5 for Google Chrome is a web browser that's always up to date with the latest issue HTML5 stuffs. That's why I'm choosing the Google Chrome. Notepad Plus, you can use the Notepad also. The Notepad is, however, this is a really golden proving in simple one. It's not the best. That's why I'm using the Notepad Plus. Anyway, when discussing about that HTML5, so that conclude the introductions of HTML5, the next level of the web development. We wish to meet you with another video tutorial on HTML5, a step ahead. HTML5 code for the future web development. Thank you.